Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we finally have the update to the Edge browser. And of course, if you're using a Chromium-based browser, make sure that you update your browser. You had 16 security flaws this week. Some of them were high severity, so it's important to fix the Chromium browsers. And of course, that means that in the Chromium browsers, everything that is Brave, Opera, Edge, and so on are all being fixed. And of course, there's a new version of Edge. So Chrome moved to version 132. And if you go and check out your Edge browser, 3 horizontal dots on the upper right corner, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge, you will be sent to 132.0.2957.115. It contains mostly under the hood changes, not really any front-facing features or changes, really. But it does contain, of course, all the security updates of Chromium for the week. So at least for that, it's time to update your Edge browser to make sure that you stay safe, as it is your first line of defense. Even if you don't use it, I always recommend that you check to make sure you have the latest version. You never know when a link will open into Edge rather than your favorite browser because of Microsoft. So make sure that you do that to stay safe. It's the number one thing that makes you stay safe, is updating all the software to plug all the security flaws in them. And of course, like I said, if you're in a Chromium browser, do take the time to check out your security updates. Also, make sure that you're update for the week to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.